Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be reacting to Angry Grandpa. Angry Grandpa snaps. Chainsaw, trampoline. Like, subscribe, notifications. If you got any suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. I also got a Discord you want to join, so in the description in the comment section down below. Let's get straight to it.
We just did the intro. Charlie did hit record. We gotta do the damn thing again. Again! I don't want to do it again! Nice job, Charles. I want to get bit of cut green. Don't yell so loud this time. You hurt my ear. I care about your ear. Wait, I care about your ear.
Whoa.
It's a beautiful day out. We decided to get some yard work done. Is it recording? Go cut down the trees! It's recording. Yeah, whoa, I hope the hell it is. Dumbass. You ready to work?
What?
Oh my God!
That was disgusting. Why are you smelling it, bro? What? Angry Grandpa snaps.
That was kind of going that way. You think you can get that one laid this way?
I can get laid anytime. How about you?
Hey.
Not really. I couldn't get a damn goddamn out down there. Shut up! If I do that. Okay, you gotta yell so loud. Just remember, when the tree starts to go down. Hard.
Yo.
Yeah. Go that grandpa dance. Hard. Yeah. Go that grandpa dance. Oh shit! Damn, that was
Whoa.
Good deal.
I'm getting scared. Run. If you're gonna follow one of us, we're gonna die. Would it be me? Would it be me? Might be on faster than you.
Don't freak me out while I'm holding the chainsaw.
You may do it. Please be careful. It's going! Oh my God! Oh shit!
Oh, almost.
You almost took out the fucking fence!
He's happy.
I love it! Dude, what if you would have took out the whole fence? Thank God! Oh, do it again. Go you. Dude, you guys gotta be more careful.
Dude, we didn't get nothing. We're good.
I don't care anyway. Are we getting close? I don't know, dude. Doesn't feel like it. You're like right at the notch. I don't get it.
All right, turn. Here it goes. It's going.
Careful.
Oh, shit.
Oh, God! The trampoline! My God. What if Jacob was chopping on that damn thing? Well, I guess it has been crushed, huh? Oh, my God, dude. You guys are irresponsible. Dude, look at this! Oh, man, how about I hurt the trampoline? It looks fun. You almost broke the fence. You almost broke the trampoline. You didn't give it any foresight to this. What are you doing?
Really, bro?
Trampoline. Bullshit, we gotta take it down. What are you gonna do? Oh my!
Are you serious?
Can we go cut the tree down? What is wrong with you, dude? Can we go cut the tree down now?
Hell nah, bro. What is Grandpa doing, bro? What? I'll be mad, dude. Not where the kids are gonna play at.
Now, can we go cut the tree down? You want
No!
That was Jacob's trampoline. Yeah, how's that? You happy now? Can we go get the tree down now?
Nope.
Come on. Ah, this is fun. Good God. This
That's
Wait,
messed
no,
up,
no.
bro.
What is wrong with you? First you almost crushed the fence, then you almost crushed the trampoline, then you cut it.
Right.
Oh.
Where the fuck will you
Come
cut it,
on.
bro?
No, don't do nothing else. Come on. I'm cutting the limb.
Waste of money, man.
I'm cutting the limb.
I think you need to go to a home or something.
What?
Okay, Michael!
What would you have done if you would have crushed the fence?
I wouldn't give a fuck.
Are you kidding me?
Bro, why is she screaming Michael? Like Michael's gonna do anything, bro. You know Michael's scared of his dad.
What if Jacob was jumping on the trampoline? You don't think about this stuff, dude.
I don't give a fuck.
Wow, you don't think
Wow.
about nothing or care about
Whoa.
nobody.
I care about how I cut your legs off.
Where's this one gonna go?
Try not to
Up your ass, you keep bothering me.
Try not to goof this one.
You guys,
Come on, man.
Jesus
Damn,
Christ!
That's kind of like the beginning of Iron Man.
Get over here, goddamn tree down.
You guys don't know what you're doing. Let's
The
call
beginning
somebody.
of Iron Man.
I got one more tree to take down. I don't need your advice. Get the fuck out.
Please just call somebody.
All right, Michael, can we cut the tree down now? I did. You want to cut it down?
Move, Charlie.
The little music in the
Oh,
background.
God, no! Yo, what the hell is the matter with you?
I swear to God, I'm climaxing. I love this. Let's find another tree to cut.
Do you not see what you almost
Let's
did?
find another tree to
What are you
cut.
doing about, Michael?
You almost crushed the damn fence.
Let me tell you one thing. This is my house. I'll do what I want. I'll
you
cut
almost
down what I-
crushed the fence.
You got nothing to say.
You almost crushed the fence. You ruined the trampoline. What the hell's the matter with you?
But then why weren't you under when I did? That way you get out of my yard.
Yeah, I'm tired of you yelling at me like this.
Go out of the way.
Whatever, dude. You know something?
Bite me.
If you would have broken the fence, I wouldn't have paid a cent to get it fixed.
You wouldn't have had to get out. I fixed it.
Like you know, you ain't know how to fix no damn fence. You're full of it.
Get out of here.
Sunday, what?
You know, get ready to cut up these trees. I'm gonna make Michael think I cut up my damn arm.
Whoa! Grandpa cuts off his hand. Damn, Grandpa getting them ideas, bro. That's crazy. And then, what was I gonna say? I was gonna say something. Oh, and then they gotta cut all the little branches off the big ass tree to make it smaller and smaller and smaller. That's gonna take on hours to do, bro. Like, subscribe, notification. If you got any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Also got a Discord you want to join, so in the description or comment section down below. See you in the next one. Peace.